Hello, my name is Jenny. For those of you who are new here, and on Saturdays we do some gardening or yard projects. Sadly, we're going to be getting rid of a rose bush. Sadly, this rose bush is just not making it. We have sprayed fungicide on it. We have done all sorts of stuff, and it is just not looking good at all. And actually, the green you see is not from the rose bush. It's actually from a weed. This right here is a weed. It's not a it's not a rose bush. So we're gonna pull that, and we're also gonna take some daffodils out of this pot that are down in the bottom and go plant them. So first things first, let's say goodbye to this rose shrub and the weeds that are with it. Both seasons that I've had it, it's never really done well. I was tempted to pull it out last year, and I thought I would give it one more year, and it only got worse, not better. So out it goes. Let's get rid of this thing. Now that poor rose is out, let's see if we can find all the daffodils. Oh my, this one definitely needs to be divided. And who knows, maybe the roses just didn't like being with the daffodils. That's not usually a problem, but maybe in a container it was for this guy. That's 3. You know what, maybe I only planted 7 or 8 in here actually, now that I'm thinking about it. I'm gonna have to go back and watch the video and see how many I planted. What? Holy crap. Look at the root system on this bulb. This is 3. I can break that into 3. I think, if I remember correctly, which daffodils I planted here. I can't remember if it's pink champagne or coral charm. I think it's the coral charm. They're mostly white with a little bit of pink in the center of the daffodil. It looks more apricot rather than pink, but they're still very pretty. Holy cow, I think I had 2 bulbs kind of grow together right here. Oh my goodness. Check this bulb out. Oh, that is definitely, I definitely need to divide these for sure. There we go. Got 3 out of that one. Well, can't say the daffodils didn't like it in here, that's for sure. Oh my goodness. Maybe this is why the rose didn't do so well. The bulbs just like went to town. I have never seen daffodil bulbs and roots so prolific. But then again, I don't usually dig up and divide daffodil bulbs like I'm supposed to. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's all of them. Let's just divide these up a bit. Holy cow. These are kind of still attached pretty well. 12, 13. This root system's not quite as big. Okay, well, that's the bulbs. Now let's go plant them. Let's see if I can figure out where I planted the bulbs, where they're at. I did not. Shoot. Is that a bulb that somebody ate? Yeah, it looks like it. That's a leftover bulb, so be there, there. I'm trying to remember if I planted bulbs in between the two wintergreens. I think I might have. I'm pretty sure I did not plant any on this side of that wintergreen, which is no longer evergreen, it's dying. They just didn't like this spot. So I'm just decided to pull a few weeds while I'm here. Oh my goodness, my creeping Jenny is starting to spread. Somehow it got split from that. And it's growing in the ground. Creeping Jenny here spreads easily, so that's why I have it in a hanging basket. But even then, somehow it has spread. We'll have to pull that out later. I need to re-mulch this area. It's getting a little bit ridiculous. Okay, now daffodils usually like 6 inches below ground. And I'm going to plant about 7 or 8 bulbs per hole. Okay, now that I got the weeds out of this area, except for that very corner and underneath the rock, we're going to plant the rest of the bulbs. Just tucking in a few little runner strawberry babies into the soil before they die. Okay, so I need to finish weeding all of those in front of the strawberry planter, but that is a different day for Jenny. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, feed the pollinators for me.